Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my GoPro Hero 8 camera bundle. Why is this in here? My white belt from Taekwondo. Alright, so over here the first thing that I'm going to show is this Ultimaxx GoPro holder. So I think it's like an extra high, you know, get your GoPro like extra high. It's sort of like a selfie stick type thing, and you can extend it to really, really high. So as you can tell, the GoPro selfie stick goes really, really long, as you can tell, and it goes up really, really high. I think I can touch the ceiling right now. I touched the ceiling about 6 times. So I don't quite use selfie sticks that much. I might sometime in the near future when I start making vlogs with this GoPro. Now, second thing that we have is this Ultimaxx Adhesive. Now, if you don't know what adhesive looks like, well, it looks like this with the papers on it. If we take out the papers, then it's literally just gray felt with adhesive on it. It kind of looks like aluminum. Look at that. And this bag is actually adapters that you can stick onto your GoPro, and the adhesive goes right here on the bottom, so you can stick this to essentially anything. Over here we have the GoPro Hero 8 box. And over here we have a small bag. I don't quite know what it is. I actually have not opened this up, so I don't know what it is. So as you can see, this is an Ultimaxx Velcro, and you can put tiny things in there. I'm assuming that this is an SD card holder that you can easily fit in your pocket. Now, I did not know about this until I just opened it up and just realized that, maybe I can use it as an SD card holder. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Now, the next thing here that we have is this little strap. Now, I have no idea what this is for, like Velcro. It's probably a strap that you can actually strap on something. I mean, I could probably open this up and strap something on, like, probably on over there on the bed. I don't know how it works though, and how it's even going to hold. If somebody comments below what this is, I'll appreciate it and maybe pin that comment. Now, over here, I have what I think is a floater. So just in case you go swimming, this will actually keep your GoPro afloat. This is filled with nothing. It's made of orange plastic for whatever reason. I don't even know why they colored it that. Now over here we have, so to my knowledge, you can have your GoPro in here and a light in here, and with this you can actually have 3 attached onto this. This goes into here. This light right here that I have, attached the light to this, attached the GoPro on here, and you know, it's gonna be nice. Feels very heavy, doesn't it? Oh, the next thing that we have in the box is this chest strap. What's this doing in here? Actually, never forget to wash your hands, even in the middle of videos. So your GoPro with an adapter actually slides on to here, and then you point the GoPro up, and then you just put this on. I'm still learning how to use this. It's kind of tangled up. Now over here is this little thing. Now I think the point of this is to actually like flip the camera sideways. So like, if your camera's pointing the wrong way, like when you're biking, you can use this to make it point the right way. Now over here, I have not used this yet, but what I think is that this is like a grippy grabby sort of thing like that. I don't know how to use this or what this does, but you let me know in the comments. A phone holder without anywhere to attach is kind of useless. Alright, so here I have a head strap. I have actually filmed a bit of stuff with this, and on this you do not need a base adapter. You can just put your GoPro on here and then get the little screws and then twist it. And the last thing in the box is a coat hanger looking thing. So there's 2 of these. I do not know why they have these little piano feet looking coat hanger things. I mean, look at them. It looks like you can mount your bag on this. I just literally have no idea why this has this curly thing. I mean, why couldn't they just put it here? I legit have no idea. Anyways, if you even know what in the world this is, I would love to know. Yeah. So I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye!